So hello guys, this is Harshi from KAREEMM's YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna explain you how to use Google Maps without internet. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's jump into the topic. Okay, firstly I just opened my Google Maps and show you on how you can enable Google Maps without internet, right? So I just searching for a location called Ladakh because I really love this. Okay, so here it is. So first step is just swipe up from the bottom. Here you can see an option called download. Just click on it and it will show you some tutorial on how you can download the map. So just simply adjust your map and click on the download button again. So in this way the map will be downloaded automatically, right? I just show you on my notification bar. So here you can see download will be started. After downloading, I just want to show you on without internet, right? I just close my app and turn off my internet. As you can see, my mobile data and Wi-Fi is turned off. Now again open the maps and you can see just click on the profile picture and go to offline maps, right? So here you can see Ladakh, right? Click on it. So this is called the offline map. So I can access the Ladakh map without my internet connection. So this is how you can use Google Maps without internet. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you for watching.